this is Leisha from Caught by Design, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Xyron Sticker Maker to adhere the two sides of a double-sided faux leather earring together. If you've read my blog post or you've been in one of my earring classes, you'll know that for most of my earrings I just use the Xyron Sticker Maker to adhere the sides together. The Xyron Sticker Maker works better for me than glue. The glue tends to seep out on the edges and make a mess. And also with the Sticker Maker or any of the Xyron adhesive tools, you get a nice, smooth, full surface of adhesive. Now, I've got several earring parts cut here. This is going to be my backing, which is just a mirror image of the front pieces, and then it's cut on the edge. This is going to be one of the colors, and this is going to be the other color. Now, I usually cut the backing from the same color that will be on the outside of the design. I actually cut these inner pieces just by themselves, but you could cut one set of this design from one color and one set from the other color, and you would have two sets of faux leather pieces that you could make one pair of earrings with this color on the outside and this on the inside, and vice versa, because these are just the pieces that came out of the burgundy faux leather when I took it off the mat. Now, if you are making a double-sided earring that you're not using the two colors, and say maybe you're just going to make a double-sided earring like this, it doesn't matter what side you put the adhesive on. However, if you're going to put another color inset in there, it's best to put the adhesive on the solid piece. It will just be much easier on you. I have the older style purple sticker maker, but it and the Teresa Collins branded white one from Xyron are both the same. They work the same. And when you use the sticker maker, you can only go up to about 1.5 inches wide. I use my other Xyron tools, my Creative Station, either the 9-inch or the 5-inch for the wider earrings. So the adhesive is going to go on the underside. So however you put it in there, the adhesive is going to go on the back. You'll see that there is an arrow showing you where to put it. And then you just grab on to that and pull it down till it's past the edge where you can pull it off. This particular faux leather works pretty good just as it is, but some of the faux leathers I find don't want to adhere to the adhesive. I mean, I know that sounds funny, or the adhesive doesn't want to stick to the backing. So if you'll take it and just rub on it a little bit before you peel it off, that really helps. I like my handy dandy Pampered Chef dough roller, but you could use a brayer or anything like that. And then I always take a toothpick or a stylus, and I go around the edges to kind of break that adhesive, and I don't get any stringy bits, and I have less that pulls away, especially in that area right there where the earring hole is. If I was using this particular design front to back, I would also go around in all of these areas before I pulled it off from the backing. So then you just pull this clear liner off, and the adhesive will be on the back. At that point, you can take your first piece. Put it together. You want to get it lined up. I do use permanent adhesive, but I try not to press it down too hard until I've got it just in the spot I want it, because you don't want any of the white showing through on those edges. I also, when I'm making my backing, always make a mirror image, even if I've got a design that looks symmetrical. Even the slightest little bit that it's off could mean that it doesn't line up properly. A little bit of adhesive there. I'll just rub it off. It's really good. It sticks to your fingers and everything. Okay, so then I'm going to take these pieces and stick them in there, and they fit together just like a puzzle because they're all cut from the same cut file. Sometimes it helps to take a little tool. I've used my pick-me-up tool. I've used a stylus. Don't want to use anything sharp because you don't want to poke the leather, but anything to get that to just lay down in there. And then I give it one more good rub, maybe even a rub from the back. Now, this side never does bother me if it is white, so I don't ever do anything to that, but I have heard of people using either alcohol ink or a stamp pad or a Sharpie or something to cover that up, and I think that's a really good idea. So once you add your ear wire hook, you are done. Thanks for watching.